Hello again. So this is my analysis for this sketch, and for those that don't know who have just came across this channel, thank you so much for joining us, and I shall just get to it. This is where I basically give a feedback from my sketches and how I will improve from these, and basically critique them so that I can become a more effective and efficient artist at this for this skill, which is the foundations and the fundamentals of art, which is gaining structure and proportion. So each three took less than 4 minutes. This one was 3.5 minutes. I am gradually reducing my time for each stage so that I can become more prolific and more proficient at that level and that skill. So this one was 3.5 minutes. This one was 3 minutes as well as this one. I was originally doing sketches at 4 minutes, but as I said, I have reduced it now. And that skill has only taken me about 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. So if I can do it, then others can definitely do it as well. Number two, the jaw is too boxy here. It should be carving and contoured at this area. As you can see, it should be coming in. So, and I never had actual time to do the necks either, but the overall proportions and the layout of the features I was able to capture, which was I was happy at. This one, number three, is the closest to the original reference photo, and these photos I actually get off of the internet just by typing in, say, ballerina's face or female face, and then it just comes up with a whole load of different things, and I choose the one that I would like to try and capture. So the only thing about this one was the nose I didn't actually manage to capture as well as what I could have. For example, there's more detail in this one. I think that's probably why it took half a minute more. Yeah, so the techniques that I utilised this time was observational, and but each line that I put down I don't rub out, so I make sure that the line that I'm going to be drawing is supposed to be there, is on purpose, and I'm also creating less pressure on the pencil, which is something that I have had to improve upon in the past. For example, very heavy lines, and this is just to show you the what I used to draw like. I think this was about 3 months ago. Yeah, so I have improved, and check out the rest of the channel and let me know what you think. To all the subscribers, you're awesome, guys. Bye.